Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'm gonna teach you how to add YouTube channel link to TikTok. This is gonna be a short tutorial video, so make sure you keep watching. Let's get quickly into it. Head over to the app of TikTok. Now from the profile section, you can tap on edit profile, and on the bottom you should be able to see an option of YouTube. If you don't see this option, you can try switching your account to a business account. To do that, tap on the three lines on the top right and tap on settings and privacy. Tap on account and you'll need to tap on switch to business account and choose any category that you like. Now after you made the switch, you will be able to see an option of YouTube on the bottom. You can tap on that. Here it will show you all the Google accounts that have been added to your phone. Now choose the Google account where you have your channel of YouTube. As soon as you do that, you can see that the YouTube channel icon has been added to your bio on TikTok. Now when someone taps on this icon, they will be directed to your channel on YouTube. That's how easily you can add YouTube channel link to TikTok. If you guys found this video helpful, then make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.